In today's video, I'm going to teach you a comprehensive guide to navigating Shopify's notification settings, specifically focusing on how to manage and customize your order invoice emails. We're going to walk through each step, ensuring you know exactly how to make the necessary changes to suit your business's needs. First, you'll want to start by going to your Shopify admin page. Once logged into your Shopify account, you'll see your dashboard. This is your control center where you can access various tools and settings for your store. Now, look towards the bottom of the left sidebar and click on Settings. This section is crucial because it houses a variety of options that control different aspects of your store's operations. Next, from the Settings menu, find and select Notifications. This section lets you manage all email and SMS notifications sent from your store. It's important because it ensures your communication with customers is consistent and professional. Within this notifications area, you'll notice different types of communications you can manage. Go ahead and click on Customer Notifications. This area specifically deals with any emails that will be sent directly to your customers, such as order updates and confirmations. Now, scroll down to find Order Invoice and click on it. The order invoice is a vital part of your email communication as it confirms the purchase customers have made with you, providing them the details they need to record and track their order. Here you can view and modify the template that will be sent out to customers. Once you're in the Order Invoice section, you'll notice a Send Test option. Clicking this allows you to preview how the email will look, which is always a good practice to ensure everything appears as expected before it's sent to your customers. Moving on, there's an option to highlight specific areas in the email template, natanset. This is a useful tool if there are certain parts of the invoice you want to attract attention to, such as a special discount message or important order notes. Selecting Edit Code will open the template's HTML, allowing you to customize the email further. This is especially useful if you have specific branding requirements or need to include additional information. Finally, click on Preview to see the final version of your email template. Reviewing your changes is crucial as this is your last opportunity to make sure that everything is perfect and that there are no errors in the code or unwanted changes to the formatting. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed walkthrough of managing your Shopify notifications with a focus on order invoices. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your customer communications are both professional and tailored to your brand's needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling on Shopify!